we need a tutorial for Zoom that everybody should be able to call in up to a week before their hearing and get all checked out on how to turn on their audio and mute themselves and all that kind of stuff.
Right.
You know, because if we got anybody that's my age and over, they may not have grown up in a technological age. I mean, I see my grandchildren, they can do more with a cell phone, and I'm like, how did you know how to do that? I mean, it's just like intuitive. They're just born, you know, being, you know, reading, you know, dots and dashes and O's and stuff, you know.
Yep. Whenever I try to ask, can you show me how to do that? They go, Mom, it would take way too long. Just give me the phone.
Yeah, but tell them, you know, you have to help me because I can't depend on you. You're going to grow up and get married and move away. So
that's right. Then what am I going to do?
You show me now, and I might know how to do it by then.
Right.
It's gonna take too long.
See, you know, it's like my Kirk, you know, she's, you know, she speaks in a digital way, you know. I mean, she understands all this stuff. I'm like,
I done showed my mom 10 times how to log into her bank account on her phone, and every time she's still like, can you just do it for me?
You know, I did that with my father back in the day, you know, taught him how to go on the computer and go to his bank account and check his balances and stuff like that and see if a check cleared and all this kind of stuff. And he was okay with it because he wrote it down step by step, so he just did his cheat sheet every time.
I have it programmed in her phone.
Oh.
Everything, the PIN number, the username.
You got the PIN number programmed in?
Yeah, but I got it under her contacts.
Right.
So if you look at it, you would know what it was, but she knows what it is.
Yeah.
And she still asks me to do it.
So you're an enabler now.
No, I'm just a daughter that loves her mom and will do it for her.
But then you come and you talk about it, right?
I do. The same way when I was little and I couldn't feed myself. I'm showing her about that. You know.
She still get more food in her lap than she get in her mouth.
The cycle continues. I'll show it.
I was trying to access some orders on Odyssey on a divorce case that I've got because I didn't get a copy of it. And, you know, I'm clicking on it and then it tells me I have to install something else. And my son-in-law is actually an IT guy. So immediately I'm texting my son-in-law, how do I install this? And there's a problem installing a lot of stuff on a Mac. I can't even get half my discovery on my criminal cases because I can't figure out how to save it and open it and work with it with my computer.
What kind of computer do you have?
I have a Mac PC.
What you probably have to do is install something like Google Chrome. I have Google Chrome.
Because Safari don't work on a lot.
Yeah, Safari doesn't work for everything. And then usually with Macs, you also have to always authorize stuff because they have so many firewalls to keep you from downloading viruses and stuff.
Right. You said yesterday it's something like a .tf something that you have to be able to open stuff from the circuit court. And every circuit court's different too.
But do you know what I did, Council?
What?
I have a Mac, but I bought me a PC just because it was easier. You know, I bought me a PC, not the greatest one in the world, about $400. And if there was any issues I had with my Mac, I just transitioned over to my PC.
I was thinking about that, especially since I can't take my computer into the jail because of the internet capacity or to prison. So that's a way to do it as well. It's just a whole different way.
I went on, actually, I think what I did is I went on Home Shopping Network or QVC, and I got one of those $300 package deals. So I was like, you know what? I got my PC, I got my Mac, and I have a problem with one, I'm on the other.
That makes sense.
Because I, can't keep going to grandchildren saying, how do you do this? So what your son-in-law do say, okay, now I have two moms to teach.
Yeah.
All right, I think Wait a minute, I was just getting ready to give up, but you know what? He's coming back in the same way he did before. I told him to call in.
Maybe he figured it out.
We'll see. Nope.
It says connecting to all.
It's still saying tracking, but he did that for a record from before. But he didn't call in the way I expected him to do. So I wrote it out, call in, hang up and call in with the instructions I sent you. And let's see. Yeah. I call teenagers tech support. I call. I gave my 1 year, a couple of years back, but she's 5 now, so my granddaughter's 3 years old, and I gave her a little computer for Christmas. One of the things was a computer for Christmas. She opened it right up and she started showing me how to do things, and I was like, "You've never seen this." She just went in and she just started doing stuff, playing games. It's like after she was basically barely out of the room, it looked like she was playing with her mother's cell phone.
Yep. They have all those games on the cell phone, like my granddaughter's a little over a year, or Pop the Balloons,
Mm-hmm.
stuff like that.
Get up really fast.
Yeah.
Their eye-hand coordination is pretty amazing to be babies. All right, sir. It looks like Mr. LGK20 Plus, I asked you to call back in. You came back in the exact same way that you did before, and we have the same problems that we had before. That's why I told you to come in a different way. I don't know if you can hear me at all, but let me send you another message that, you know, we're just gonna have to give you another date where you got tech support, you got somebody who can help you. What's that?
His file will be in that set.
Oh, wow, I'm gonna say it. What are they?
Tell him October 21st.
that October 21st? What date did you say?
October 21st.
Okay. Make sure they turn their notes this week. Did you see that chat, Council?
Hang on a second.
Did you see the chat that I just sent to?
Yep. I got it.
Okay, I'm waiting to see if he responds or. Hey, Nancy, you have a regular house phone. I have one. I'm still too. I don't just.
I have one, but I don't use it.
Yeah.
Are we done?
All right. I sent him the text message. I mean the chat. So I don't know if you got it or not, but we can't do this all day. So we're going to sign off now, and hopefully he got his chat with the next day on it. If not, he'll just get it. He'll get the notice in the mail. All right. So time now 2:32. Wait a minute. We just
No, that was me leaving.
That was you leaving. All right. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge. Bye, Crystal. Bye, Miss Payne.
Hi, good to see you.
See you, council.
Crystal, what do I do with a voucher?
You want to email it to Miss Roberta, and she'll get it to the judge to sign it.
Okay, will do. Thank you. Good to see
You're
everyone.
welcome.
Stay safe.
See-